What if dinosaurs never went extinct? A historical analysis. In an alternate timeline where the catastrophic Chicxulub asteroid impact never occurred 66 million years ago, Earth's evolutionary trajectory would have followed a radically different path, fundamentally altering the course of natural history. Without the mass extinction event that eliminated non-avian dinosaurs, these magnificent creatures would have continued evolving through the Paleogene and Neogene periods, potentially developing increasingly sophisticated neural architectures and social behaviors. The smaller theropod dinosaurs, already displaying remarkable intelligence and pack-hunting strategies, might have gradually developed tool use around 40 million years ago, similar to early primates in our timeline. By 20 million years ago, descendants of Truden and other large-brained dinosaurs could have established primitive agricultural societies, cultivating cycads and conifers in organized plots while domesticating smaller herbivorous species for food and labor. The Miocene epoch might have witnessed the rise of the first dinosaurian cities, constructed not from stone and metal but from living bioarchitectural organisms, a technology pathway that cold-blooded reptilian intelligence might naturally pursue, emphasizing symbiosis over domination. During the Pliocene, approximately 5 million years ago, advanced Saurian civilizations could have achieved metallurgy and writing systems, recording their history in crystalline matrices rather than fragile organic materials. The Pleistocene ice ages would have presented unique challenges to these reptilian societies, forcing them to develop sophisticated climate control technologies and underground cities heated by geothermal energy. By the time early hominids began walking upright in Africa, advanced dinosaurian empires might have already spanned continents, having long since solved problems of sustainable energy through biological photosynthesis and symbiotic relationships with their environment. When Homo sapiens finally emerged 300,000 years ago, they would have encountered not empty ecological niches but a world dominated by ancient reptilian civilizations possessing millions of years of accumulated knowledge, sophisticated biotechnology, and deeply embedded cultural wisdom about long-term planetary stewardship. The collision between rapid mammalian innovation and ancient saurian stability would have created a fundamentally different kind of world, one where technological progress was measured not in centuries but in geological epochs, where wisdom was inherited across deep time, and where the very concept of environmental destruction might have been inconceivable to minds that had learned to think in terms of million-year consequences. Such a world would challenge every assumption about intelligence, civilization, and humanity's place in the natural order, suggesting that our current dominance may be less inevitable destiny than fortunate accident.